What's up YouTube, I'm back with another video. Today, y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the White Thunder 4s. Stay tuned, this should be some heat. I ain't got no Jordans in a while, so I know this is like, this crazy to me, this crazy, because I ain't got no Jordans in a while, so stay tuned to the end of the video. I will be releasing a new short tomorrow, and like, just some more content, because I've been going for a while, I've been busy, but I got some more heat coming for y'all. Stay tuned. I might do the on-feet review inside of this video too, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. I just woke up a few hours ago trying to get these shoes chill on my wrinkled shirt. I know I look tired, but I gotta get this video out to y'all. So just gonna get straight into it. Let's start with the box. Size right here, size 9. Nothing crazy. Little scratches on the top. Bro, who dirty hands was touching the box? Before y'all say me, no. Cause I literally just got these out the bag. Why is it dirt spots all over? Anyway, in my box these, I did try one on, so y'all gonna be like, why is it laced like that? It's cause I tried it on. Show y'all the paper. Y'all don't do about that. Here's the left shoe right here. I hope my camera don't die, bruh, cause the battery, this camera tweaking. I'm gonna give y'all a first look close up at the inside of the shoe. We got the front, right side, and the bottom. Y'all know obviously why these called the White Thunders, because it's the Thunder 4 color blocking. I don't know, these, I saw them sell out on Foot Locker and everything like that. They selling out quickly, but they're not gone yet. It's currently 11:51, and I don't think they're going yet. Battery down in the middle of filming, crazy. Bruh, I hope I got a good amount of footage on the camera. If it's not, my bad on that, but we just gonna keep going. I really just like, bruh, right on the day of me filming though, I don't even know, it might be something wrong with that battery because it definitely had charging. But I'm gonna show y'all both shoes side by side. I mean, even though it's the same exact shoe. It's weird off the phone, bro. I don't record off my phone. I'll see how tight they lace them. Yeah, simple black and white shoe. If you want it, I would say cop. The material good. Haven't worn them yet, obviously. They came out like a few hours ago. An hour ago. Yeah, Air Jordan inside. I don't know why it's upside down like that. Can somebody tell me why it's upside down like that, bro? I never understood that. Why in the 4s? I think the 5's like that too. Like, why is it upside down, bro? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, these retail at $215. In men's, obviously, I don't know nothing about grade school. It's probably like $160, something like that. But yeah, ain't nothing much to this review. These kind of remind me of my Oreo 4s. I ain't gonna lie, but I sold those a few years ago. I think somebody got over too, because the price then went up on those a little bit more than what I sold them for, but it happens. But I'm finna put these on and show y'all what they look like right now. I ain't really got on nothing. I ain't really got no drip. It's not no drip check. I don't like Palm Angel sweats. Let me lace the other one how I lace this, because I wear my 4s like this. Like, I don't do too much. I just leave them a little relaxed look, because I don't know who in their right mind will wear their 4s like this. I'm sorry if you do. That's on you, but yeah, let me speed this up for y'all real quick. Bro, I've been gone so long, like, I don't even know how to do YouTube. This might get 10 views. No, I've been getting sponsorships and like, not sponsorships, I've been getting like sent free products and stuff, so, and I don't even post, but it's off of like one video. Like, one of my videos gets like thousands of views a day. I don't know why people still watching that car video, but I appreciate it though. Like, they comment on it every day, bro, asking the same questions. But soon I'm gonna be on my second car if you care about the car videos. I'm not really a car person. I wanna just sit here and be like, oh, I'm about to bring all this car content. Cause, bro, that's not me. I like how cars look. I don't know nothing about them. I know the models, but I don't know all the engine specifications and all that, bro. I just be, I like it. Now, don't this look better already? Shit not going through. I got these from DTLR though. I don't know if y'all know what that is. I don't know if they worldwide or they just Midwest where I'm from, but I don't know. I should be able to give y'all a proper on feet review now. So, bro, this shirt's so wrinkled. I don't care. We grinding. Okay, now I finally got both of them laced how I like them. So, yeah, that was it for the video. Just a quick little check-in video for y'all. If y'all liked the video, make sure y'all hit the like button. Yeah, I'm gonna be dropping more content soon. I don't know what type. I'm trying to switch the content, but y'all seem to only like the shoe videos and the car videos. Let me expand. This is another shoe video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Why am I moving them like that? That was it for the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I will be dropping more content soon. Tap in on Instagram, so y'all gonna see me the most. I really been on social media for some months now. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm getting back to it. I just been living life, bro. Stacking. Really stacking. That's what I mainly been doing. I haven't even been buying shoes, so I surprised myself when I got these. It's been a while since I got some J's, but I don't know. Just wanted to do a quick video for y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm out.